It's all good.
Oh, nice.
Oh, dude, I haven't played hockey yet. Let's play hockey.
I want hockey. They jacked me off. What do you know about it?
All right. Oh. Here we go. Here we go.
Wait, this guy's just saying.
Oh,
Get
dude, he just sent it. He just sent it. He just sent it. Get back. Get back. Get back.
Kung Fu!
I got it.
Yeah.
I've got one in the air. Oh, you throw it.
I got it.
Oh, he just got double whammy.
Oh yeah, baby. Oh. Oh, I got kicked by Jack me off.
Yeah, I knocked you out. My bad.
Dude, set me up. Set me up. Set me up, dude. Set me up.
Oh, shit.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Let's go.
Bro, that was a perfect setup, dude. Perfect setup.
That was a good one-timer, boys. Good one-timer. Look at that.
Watch this.
Oh.
Right off the post.
Ow. Professional, dude. Collateral.
All right, let's do it again, boys. Let's do it again. I'm gonna head back to the base.
Jump kick. Oh, I jumped.
Send it. Send it. Send it.
Dude, I got their goalie. I got their goalie.
Oh, it's okay.
I got their goalie.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good send.
Just left.
Watch your stamina, boys.
Oh, I got knocked.
Send it in the goal.
Let's go.
Yes.
Let's go.
My goodness, dude.
Dude, hell yeah, dude.
About to
Hell yeah,
act like
dude. Hell yeah, dude.
Skirt.
What is that otter holding?
Oh,
He's got a
man.
shield.
Two
It's
of
a
them
shield.
into the back of the net.
I don't know if that shield's helping.
All right, I'm heading back. I'm heading back. I'm heading. Ooh.
Oh, I immediately got it.
I just got knocked.
Oh.
I saved it. I saved it. Oh, not knocked out. Save it, boys.
I got knocked out too.
Wait, I got D. I got D.
Get a cat.
Okay, good
Oh
job.
my
Cat. That's just a
goodness.
solo goal by Cat. Oh my god.
Bro, go cat. Look at him go. He's dancing, dude.
Look at that fat little
Oh,
fur
look at
ball.
you.
Look at that little guy. Dalton touched it. That's an assist.
Bro, that's hands down. That's assist. All right, heading to goal.
Gotta get on D. Gotta get on D. Gotta get on D.
Yeah, get bitch. Get
I'm guessing you actually have the shield. Get it done!
Yes!
Kick.
Dalton, I had the assist.
Dude, that was perfect, dude. It was perfect. Watch this.
Tried to come in at an angle to help. This isn't even fair, bro.
I'm in the back.
Oh, I just kicked somebody's ass cheeks. I'm so sorry, dude.
Oh, I didn't mean to knock you out.
Oh, I got knocked out. I got knocked out. Nobody's in the goal.
Oh, it's okay.
Go,
It's
go,
okay.
go, 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 go.
It's
I gotta
okay.
go.
We're good. We're good.
Oh,
Like,
Noodle just came in.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Scott McGinn.
Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Good
nice,
clear.
Nice.
All right, him. Sitting back, sitting back, sitting back. Oh.
Oh.
How did I get knocked out?
Oh, they
Good
suck.
save.
So bad.
Oh, they took out their own teammate, bro.
Nice. I don't think that shield does anything.
I don't know, bro. I picked it up and it seemed pretty legit. I didn't touch anything with it, but I felt more powerful.
As you do
Oh,
with a
that's my
buckler.
bad.
Shit.
Oh, I just got knocked out. Thanks, Dalton.
Oh, he almost forced it. Oh my. Oh, this
Oh,
shit
whoa,
definitely
whoa.
does something.
It definitely does something. I saw that. No! No! Get it out of
Good
there,
save.
bro!
Good save.
Oh! No, no, no.
That was sweet.
You're welcome. You're
Oh, good
welcome
shit,
on
good
that
shit.
save.
Oh man, he just missed. Get off me, dude.
Oh, I missed again. Come on, boys. Help me
Go
get
in.
it in there.
Ooh.
Oh, the shield.
Whoa!
That shield, dude. That is dirty. Alright,
Damn,
we're
this
gonna
is
wait
a good
up by
parlay here.
Ooh, you knocked me out.
I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Oh, we almost scored. Coming back. Nice.
Oh,
Oh
Jesus.
my God, dude. Captain
What a
of the
man.
Shield.
Dude,
Get out of here.
Shit, I'm grabbing. Grab the shield, Billy. Grab the shield.
Very stern with that thing. That's what she said.
All right, on the back. I got the goal. I got defense.
Oh, two down,
Oh,
two down,
come
two
on.
down. One more, one more, one more.
Oh my God.
Back up. Back up.
I'm gonna go get the goalie. Son of a bitch.
Hang it up. No!
Oh!
No shit! You know, I go and fight the goalie for 1 second, guys. 1 second.
Wasn't your fault. Apparently,
Just got owned.
Yep, I'm not picking up the shield.
Yeah,
Somebody
give me
else
that
did
shield.
it.
Give me that shield. Give me that shield.
You can't run fast with the shield.
That's
You really
fine.
have to
I'm
sit
playing.
goal the
Yeah,
whole time.
I'm playing defense.
Yeah, we have to get the goalie down. I'm gonna grab him. I'm grabbing goalie. That's the strat. They have
Yeah,
a
that
goalie.
is
he's sitting
strat.
in.
That is strat.
I
He's
just knocked him
sitting in.
out. He's
Nice,
knocked
dude.
out.
Grab his shield.
I'm trying. I got it. I got a shield.
Fuck you. Punch you.
Alright, we gotta get
Stupid
back
fish.
out.
Oh my God.
You fucking lay it out, dude.
Oh, Scorch, Jesse. Scorch, Jesse.
Nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Yes.
Talking about
Whoa, what?
please.
Some bitch.
I
He thought he
knocked
knew
him out. Took his shield instantly.
Oh, he hit it in. Oh, okay.
Oh, scored on his
Okay.
own net.
I'm grabbing it again.
Oh, we've got their field. Nice. Nice, Bill. Oh, I just got it.
I don't know how he was doing his thing. It's like I'm hit X on it,
Oh, Jesus.
and it doesn't do anything.
Oh, shit. Dude, knock down.
I tried to do a drop kick.
Nice.
He's got tap X.
I don't have a controller.
You know, play with your controller,
Well,
dude.
that's your damn fault.
It's like $20.
Alright, I like this keyboard. I'm doing alright.
Oh, he made me drop my shield. What an asshole. Come here, bitch. Yeah.
How did I get
I got knocked out. No!
Whore. Damn.
Alright, we just need one goal, guys.
He just didn't stand any chance. I just
Alright.
needed to abuse
I'm,
them. You
I'm
know?
getting a goal.
Hail Saint, brother!
Oh my God.
See?
Oh!
Wow. Well, I don't.
Do it.
And let it just bounce off.
All right, I'm gonna try that.
I don't know, dude.
I don't know.
That was nice. Casualties.
Just knocked our teammate out, so that's cool. Not bad, like me.
Oh yeah, you little bitch. You little bitch.
Alright, we're gonna win. Alright.
Get out of here. We won.
What? How did we win? We
Timer.
ran out of time. Very cool.
Yeah.
GG. Gotta pee.
Dude.
Dude, wait, hold on. I gotta fight my way to the front.
Got him. We got a fight.
Yeah. Hello. Wait. Damn it, bro.
I'm knocked out. I'm on the bottom. I'm underneath Jesse.
Oh, I'm glad y'all downloaded this game.
This game's fun.
Yeah, this is a lot
This
of
game's
fun.
outrageous, man.
Yeah,
It's
dude.
chaotic, outrageous, and also super cute at the same
Wait.
time.
Mm-hmm.
Team Otter. Let's go, Dalton. Team Otter.
And by a chain.
What'd
All right,
you
boys.
say?
Boys, we need to get the bombs.
Oh,
We need to
shit.
get bombs over here.
Oh, I've got two of them.
All right, boys. Throw me over. Throw me over.
Oh wait.
Throw me over. Pull the lever. Pull the lever, punk.
Pull it.
Pull it. Pull it back. Pull it back. What the fuck are you doing? Pull it back.
Pull it.
I
Oh
got
my,
you.
wow. Wow, he did it so easily.
I
Oh.
couldn't.
Oh,
I couldn't get the bomb.
there's a dog here. Ah!
That's a spray
Knock him
can.
out.
I'm throwing him off.
I've got 2 bombs again. I gotta go fill it.
No! No!
Oh my. Oh, I cannot go out.
Oh, I can't swim. I'm an otter. What's this? This doesn't even make sense.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, send the bombs over, boys.
I'm fighting the guy over here.
How do you get more bombs still?
They just randomly spawn.
There we go. I pulled it. Bombs are coming.
Whoa, they're gonna kill the teammates.
Oh! Come on, bitch. Oh. Fuck. No. Oh, got him. Got him.
Good shit. Good shit, Jess. Alright, drop all 3 of these then. You got it?
There we
Yeah,
go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
It didn't work last time.
Oh, I'm putting him in place, boys. I'm
Jesse,
putting him in
what are
place.
you
Place.
doing?
I'm putting him in.
Still left.
How did you? Oh, good shit.
I'm putting him in place, boys.
Everything's fine.
I'm taking a nap.
Sorry. You're taking a nap? That's fine, dude.
I'm doing bench press with this f***ing wooden wall here. I don't know what the f***'s going on. Oh, I got knocked out by the
Grab that one.
unicorn.
Yeah, grab that one. I got 2. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, jeez. Yank it. Whoa.
Oh no! Oh, jeez. I just ate both of those.
This dog. This what I'm talking about, boys. This what I'm talking about.
Oh, we already won.
Yeah, we
What else,
already
dude? Holy shit.
Bruh.
Just carried this
Get to the
team.
front.
Get up front.
Dude, I don't know,
Get up
bro.
front.
I sent
Get
2
up
of
front.
those bitches off.
Get up front. Get up front. Don't knock me out. Don't knock me out. Don't knock me out.
It's me on the left. I'm knocked out. Don't I think you're knocked out?
Y'all are in the midst of just falling.
Oh man.
Oh shit. Oh, you got one of my deep belly laughs on the video.
Yeah, sometimes I get
terrible.
those.
I hope you know what's going. That's staying in there, Billy.
Oh, yeah, that's fine.